Hey guys, today we're kicking off a brand new DIY project. We are building a custom portable power station from scratch. The heart of our build is this, a budget-friendly 12 volts to 240 volts power inverter. It's cheap and it works, but honestly, it's way too bulky for a truly portable setup. Our goal here is maximum portability. To save as much space as possible, we're not just using the device, we're stripping it down completely, out of the shell and down to the bare PCB. By removing the stock housing, we can integrate the electronics much tighter into our own custom design. I've already started designing a specialized 3D printed enclosure. It's specifically measured to house this board, the battery pack, and a dedicated charge controller all in one compact unit. And the best part, it's going to be self-sustaining. We're integrating a small solar panel directly onto the top, so you can juice it up even when you're completely off the grid. It's definitely a tight fit, but it's going to be a powerhouse in a tiny form factor. I can't wait to see this thing fully assembled and powered on for the first time. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the assembly and the first field test. Updates are coming very soon. See you in the next one.